The JD Jet kits are really nice if you're riding at different elevations because they come with two custom tapered needles. One for low elevation for 0 to 5,000 feet above sea level, and then the other for 5,000 plus feet above sea level, so higher elevation. So for like me in Minnesota at 1,000 feet, I'd want the low elevation, but out in Colorado or here we're visiting Arizona and if we're riding in the mountains, then we want the high elevation needle. It's gonna run cleaner, start better, have better power, better throttle response, but that's about all that's special about the JD jetting kit. For example, if you're buying a kit for a KTM 300, you'll get the two custom needles, one pilot jet, and 4 main jets for extra tuning. If you want the custom needles and then just throw in the recommended jets just to get it good enough, then this is the perfect kit. But if you don't need those custom needles, then you're just paying for a few jets, which you can get at a fraction of the price. Whether you're buying it from your dealer or like Rocky Mountain or motorsport.com, either way, you're gonna wanna dial in the air screw first, which will tell you if your pilot jet is too big, too small, or just right. And I have a guide that shows you how to do it in just a few minutes. The link is in the description below. This means that if you're buying the kit and just throwing the jets in, you're not really going to understand how jetting works or how to adjust it if it's not dialed in right. Maybe your bike is hard to start, or it's bogging or sputtering or has it hanging idle, which is why in the long run, I highly recommend learning how to properly tune a carb, starting with air screw and pilot jet, because that's the most important for starting, idling, and low RPM throttle response. Plus, it's a lot cheaper to just buy a few jets and tune it yourself, and then you'll be able to tune all your buddies' bikes with a carburetor, as well as any other bike that you buy. And if that sounds interesting to you, I want to show you why carb tuning is easier than you might think. You should check out this video right here. I'm Kelly Fagin from MX Hideout. Ride safe. Have fun.